Title: The Colorful Giants, A Tale of Honey in the Forest. Summary: In a vast, magical forest, colorful giant dinosaurs, mighty mammoths, and other big forest animals live in harmony with small but essential creatures like bees and worms. Despite their size differences, every creature has a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. The story explores the importance of cooperation, respect, and understanding how even the smallest beings can make a big difference. Characters: Rex the Red Rage Raptor, a strong and bold dinosaur known for his fiery red color and powerful presence. Rex is quick to act but learns to appreciate the importance of patience and gentleness from the smaller creatures. Bella the Blue Calm Bronto, a calm and wise blue brontosaurus who often guides the others through her gentle nature. She teaches the importance of listening and observing. Sunny the Yellow Joy Triceratops, a cheerful and energetic yellow triceratops who brings happiness and light to the forest. She helps others see the joy in small things. Mammoth Max, a large, furry mammoth with a heart as big as his size. Max is strong but kind, always ready to lend a helping tusk. He teaches the value of strength used with kindness. Buzzy the Bee, a tiny but fearless bee who is quick and resourceful. Buzzy shows that even the smallest can have the biggest impact, especially in keeping the forest blooming. Wiggly the Worm, a humble and hard-working worm who helps keep the soil fertile and the plants healthy. Wiggly represents the unseen but crucial work that keeps the forest thriving. Big forest animals. Various other large creatures, like bears, elephants, and deer, who play important roles in the ecosystem but sometimes overlook the contributions of the smaller creatures. Plot: The story begins in a vast, lush forest where giant dinosaurs, mammoths, and other big animals live together. They are powerful and impressive. But they start to notice that something is going wrong in the forest. Plants are withering, flowers aren't blooming, and the once vibrant ecosystem seems to be struggling. At first, the large animals believe that they can solve the problem on their own with their strength and size. Rex tries to move heavy rocks to create a new waterway. Bella suggests that maybe they need more sunlight, and Max uses his tusks to dig deep into the earth. However, despite their efforts, nothing seems to work. One day, Buzzy the Bee and Wiggly the Worm approach the giant animals and explain that the forest's health depends on the small creatures too. Bees like Buzzy pollinate the flowers, ensuring they bloom and produce fruit, while worms like Wiggly aerate the soil, keeping it rich and fertile. Initially, the giant animals are skeptical. How could such small creatures make such a big difference? But when they see Buzzy tirelessly buzzing from flower to flower, spreading pollen, and Wiggly working underground to enrich the soil, they begin to understand. Together, the big and small creatures work in harmony. Rex helps protect the bees by guarding their hives from predators. Bella uses her long neck to reach high flowers that need pollination, guiding Buzzy to them. Sunny spreads joy and positivity, encouraging everyone to appreciate the beauty of the flowers and plants that the bees and worms help nurture. Max gently moves earth to create better homes for the worms, ensuring they can continue their vital work underground. As the story progresses, the forest begins to bloom again. Flowers are vibrant, trees are strong, and the entire ecosystem thrives. The giant animals realize that strength and size alone are not enough to keep nature in balance. Every creature, big or small, plays a crucial role. Moral: The story teaches that everyone, regardless of size or strength, has an important role to play in the world. It emphasizes the value of cooperation, respect, and the interconnectedness of all living things in maintaining the balance of nature. Visual style: the forest is depicted as a magical, lush environment, with towering trees, colorful flowers, and a variety of creatures. The dinosaurs and mammoths are portrayed as majestic and powerful, while the smaller creatures like bees and worms are shown as vital and energetic. The contrast between the large and small animals highlights the theme of the story, with scenes that show the harmony and cooperation needed to keep the forest vibrant and healthy. This story would be ideal for a cartoon series or a short film, with each episode focusing on a different aspect of the ecosystem and the interactions between the big and small creatures. The vibrant visuals and engaging characters would make it both entertaining and educational for children.